Hey, I'll be telling all the Alright, so it's part 2 today, and we're in my boy Caulyns' shop. We better go ahead and get it ready. This nice. Better go ahead and get it ready, better get jacked up and get it started. I just really cut my hand bad, dude. It's bleeding. But we're about to get it started here, cause it was not going in the shop, so or in Devin's granddad's garage. But it's alright. We finally got a lift. It should be not a lot, but it should be very easy now. So we're gonna get to it, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Alright, boys. So by the intake manifold, you should tell this is an LS, and it's this man's motor, but he just doesn't know what he wants to put. What is that? And he also has a Hemi motor here.
And the head's over there.
The heads are over there? Oh, must be nice. He has these motors sitting around. You know what I'm saying? So, looks like we're going to be looking for shells over the course of the winter. Who knows? Might have another project coming in. Alright, here we go. We have the heads. Oh, you can't even see it, but I mean, they look good.
For the rescue.
You need to yo-yo. Oh. There it is. There it is. There it is. You got to be loud because I don't get copyrighted.
I see him, bro. I mean, it sounded like that goat from the commercial.
Oh my god.
No way we can get the clutch down. So he said,
Where's the clutch at? Right there.
It's right there, Jonathan. I'm legally blind. Don't tell nobody.
Oh, something bad.
Need some milk. All right. We're kind of close. We're getting up here. This lift is helping out a lot to get all this done. So sorry about the light. It's dark under here. It's his fault. But we're gonna get this in. All right, boys. So we got the transmission in. So now, all right, boys and girls. We just got to get, if you can see back there, we're gonna get those top 2 bolts first. And get out of here. And so, oh, I just kicked that. And so, after that, we're gonna get the rest of them in, and we should be good to go. We'll get the drive shaft and all that good stuff. And thanks to the man right here for letting us borrow this lift. This is where we're gonna start all the goodies.
this side, look how we need to push the transmission.
I got it in the hole. You just don't start.
Alright, so quick update. We got the transmission in, as you can see right here. We're buttoning, got the cross member on. Drive shaft is what we're putting.
The hell?
Alright, the drive shaft is what we're putting in now. And we're just buttoning that up, and then we're going to get the exhaust and all that good stuff matting up. This man has been standing by, hasn't been working on his car at all. So, and we also have to start it up. So we're going to be getting this up. This man gave us a spot, so it's lit memes. And give y'all an update when we get this mug on down to the ground, because I got 8% left. Oh.
Yeah, I'm out of brake fluid. I need brake fluid.
Alright, quick update, guys. We got the car down. Everything is buttoned up. We just got to do a little bit of bleeding. We got a frayed wire over there, so we're getting that all tucked away and together. And we should go ahead and see if we did a good job, because I'm kind of skeptical about it. Woo! Alright, so we're about to go ahead and start her up. Yeah, y'all sub. And let's see how she does. She started up, did first, rolled forward, blah blah. Damn, I can't talk. Roll forward, did reverse, roll back, and we're good. So this is the end of today's video. Feel better now? Oh, we gotta get a video of that as well. These two raced, and of course, you know, both of their cars, they're cammed 3V, and you have a full bolt-on 3V, tuned full bolt-on, pre-tuned cam. That'd be a good video. So until then, y'all, take it easy, and I'll